And he says then, إِن يَكُنْ غَنِيًّا أَوْ فَقِيرًا. You need to stand by justice, even if the person committing a crime is rich or poor. Or even if the victim is rich or poor. This could be two things. The criminal could be rich or poor, and it could be that the victim is rich or poor. Now what does that mean? It may be that in a justice system or the police responds much quicker in a wealthy neighborhood. And it takes them an hour to get to a 911 call in a poor neighborhood. Because this one is richer, there's a quicker response. There's a quicker response to justice. And this one is poorer, there's a slower response to justice. Somebody's case is being, handled by the court and expedited because they happen to be a high-profile figure in the community. And somebody's case is sitting there backlogged under piles of paper because they're nobody, because they live off of minimum wage. So there are people, victims, that are victims of injustice that are receiving preferential treatment. You can't do this because this isn't fair. You can't shortchange people. It's the same law, it's the same constitution, equal before, we're all equal before the law and how we should be treated. That's one side of this coin. The other side of this coin is how the law is sometimes, or people that are supposed to represent the law, are willing to take it easy on the wealthy and are willing to go the extra mile of harshness against the poor. In certain neighborhoods, if somebody with an expensive car is speeding and they get pulled over, "Sir, this is your first warning. Take it easy. Have a good day." "Yeah, I just got a little late to the party. It's okay." "It's okay, sir. I understand. Go ahead." And then you just a mile away in a poorer neighborhood, depending on the color of the skin and depending on the make of the car, somebody gets pulled over for speeding, and they might even be thrown to the ground and arrested and spend a couple of nights in jail. Not to mention hear all kinds of foul language that should not be uttered by people that uphold the law and law enforcement. They're supposed to be public servants, not supposed to be public tyrants. This is double standards that Allah says you cannot tolerate in any society. You can't have a different set of justice or laws of or application of justice for the wealthy and a separate one for the poor, whether they're on the victim side of things or on the criminal side of things. إِن يَكُنْ غَنِيًّا أَوْ فَقِيرًا فَاللَّهُ أَوْلَى بِهِمَا. Then Allah takes priority over both of them. You can't even take it easy on people because you feel, it's their first offense, it's okay. No. If it's the law, it's the law. If it's justice, it's justice.